What it do, Hoodie Gang? Hey, Bricc Baby's trial was supposed to start here in the next couple of weeks. That has all changed. We're going to get into that paperwork today. Hey, before we do, you guys know I need you to smash the hell out of that like button. Get this video into the algorithm. Let's get some views on this video. And if you're new to the channel, so consider hitting that subscribe button. And once you do that, click the store link down below and go purchase your official Hoodie Gang hoodie, all right? Let's go. United States District Court for the Central District of California. The United States versus Zaire Mitchell, aka Bricc Baby, aka Big Shitty, aka MP Shitro, aka Shitty Montana, aka Bricc Baby Shitro. Defendant, and it goes over his indictment dates, the dates that they're proposing for his new trial date. All right, so we're gonna get into it. This is gonna be a short one, y'all. Look, the court has read and considered the stipulation regarding request for continuance of trial date and findings of excludable time periods pursuant to Speedy Trial Act. Filled by the parties in this matter on April 25th, 2025, the court hereby finds that the stipulation, which this court incorporates by reference into this order, demonstrates the facts that support a continuance of trial date in this matter and provides good cause for finding excludable time pursuant to the Speedy Trial Act. So in other words, in my opinion, I think he just went ahead and waived his speedy trial to give his defense more time to go through all the evidence. And it's probably what's going to happen in the Big U trial, which is also scheduled to start here in the next couple of weeks. At least that's what I would imagine anyway. So the court further finds that the ends of justice served by the continuance outweigh the best interest of the public and defendant in a speedy trial. Failure to grant the continuance would be likely to make a continuation of the proceeding impossible or result in miscarriage of justice. And failure to grant the continuance would unreasonably deny defendant continuity of counsel and would deny defense counsel in reasonable time necessary for effective preparation, taking into account the exercise of due diligence. Therefore, for good cause shown, 1, trial in this matter is continued from May 13th, 2025 to October 14th, 2025. The status conference hearing is continued to October 3rd, 2025. I'm not exactly sure what the status conference is. Maybe that's just like the update. They're going to update the courts, what's going on with the case and everything. Maybe that's what that is. 2, the time period of May 13th, 2025 to October 14th, 2025 inclusive is excluded in computing the time within which the trial must commence pursuant to 18 USC blah, 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 blah. 3, nothing in this order shall preclude a finding that other provisions of Speedy Trial Act dictate the additional time periods are excluded from the period within which trial must commence. Moreover, the same provisions and or other provisions of the Speedy Trial Act may in the future authorize the exclusion of additional time periods from the period within which trial must commence. It is so ordered. So we see that his trial was supposed to start May 13th, which is in about 2 weeks or so. They moved it back to October to give his defense more time to prepare for trial, right? That's usually what happens in these things. It's the same thing that happened to Dirk too. His trial's coming up in August. I imagine this is the same thing that's going to happen with Big U and Loose Cannon as well. So there you guys have it. Like I said, nice little short video today. Hey, if you guys are new to the channel and you made it this far, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon. That way YouTube notifies you every time I drop a new video, all right? While you down there, go ahead and hit that like button. Smash the hell out of that like button. Share this video, you guys. Let's get this video into the YouTube algorithm. Let's get some views on this video. All that helps the channel. All that is free for you guys to do. What else is free is you guys dropping a quick comment. It's all free for you guys to do. It all helps the video get into the algorithm, get more views on it, and helps the channel bring in more revenue, all right? I appreciate you guys very much. Hey, make sure you guys go down and get your official Hoodie Gang Burbank hoodies too, all right? It's your boy King Charm. I love y'all. I'm out this bitch. Peace.